I beg to mention item number 14.
Yes.
This matter is listed on 6th month. I have taken consent from the court.
Okay. On the prayer of Miss So-and-so, Wangmu, Junior Advocate, AP. Leads the case on 6th of May, 2025. Mr. You're
Ji,
there?
Ram Lordship. For the petitioner, Lordship.
Okay, learned counsel for the petitioner. Who is in attendance, has consented to the said prayer.
Okay. May I, Lordship? Lordship, I would like to mention item number 35, Lordship.
35.
Yes, Lordship. On behalf of Lordship,
Okay.
Tamar Gadi, Lordship, Standing Council, Arunachal University, Lordships. Lordship, he taken the consent from other side, Lordship.
Okay, Mr.
Petitioner side, Lordship.
So-and-so learned counsel representing Mr. Tamar Gadi, Standing Council, Arunachal Pradesh University.
Yes, Lordship.
Has made a prayer for adjournment
For 2 weeks, Lordship.
for 2 weeks, it is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the petitioner to make the prayer. The prayer law leads the case after 2 weeks,
Much.
on a day 2 weeks by the office.
Petitioner 35.
Oh, Mr.
Ah,
Okay, Mr. Kago, Raja, learned counsel for the petitioner is present.
Your Lordship, I would like to mention one unlisted item, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, it was taken up yesterday. However, there is an interim that is not been continued.
Huh?
There was an interim order which is not reflected in the order. It will continue. It
Okay.
may continue.
May, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 12, Your Lordship.
Sure.
12, yes, Lord. On behalf of Standing Council, B. Picha, respondent, Your Lordship.
Okay.
This matter may be taken up tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Tomorrow.
Yes, due to his certain personal difficulties, he could not appear today, Your Lordship.
Tomorrow there may be, yes, from Monday.
My lord, I'm a petitioner. Actually, matter has fixed for today. Matter has fixed for the today, my lord. For the some citations of the ruling of that hearing has already almost completed. So I ready to my lord arguments of that citations. Actually, matter is very urgency matters.
Okay, let the matter reach.
Okay, another item now, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 17, Your Lordship. On behalf of A. Bhattacharjee, Your Lordship.
Okay.
He is having a personal difficulties, ill health
When do you want?
after 1 week, Your Lordship.
Okay, Mr.
T. Tarin on behalf of A.
Learned
Bhattacharjee.
counsel, representing Mr. A. Bhattacharjee, learned counsel for the petition has made a prayer for adjournment of the case up for a week. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the respondents to make the prayer. The prayer law leads the case after a week on a day 2 weeks by the office.
Another item, Your Lordship, which is item number 19, Your Lordship. I'm here mentioning on behalf of Peter Picha, B. Picha. They can consent from the other parties, Your Lordship.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel, on behalf of Mr. B. Picha, learned counsel for the petitioner, has sought listing of the case after
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. It is submitted that consent has been taken on the so-and-so. The prayer law leads the case after 2 weeks.
One more item also. Item number 33, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Yes. Here also I have taken consent. I am mentioning on behalf of B. Picha, Your Lordship.
Picha.
Picha, yes.
Okay, same. After 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Same.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 16.
Yes.
I'm on behalf of Sunil Mao, I'm mentioning it. Maybe this set after 2 weeks.
If Miss
S. Somu.
Land Counsel representing Mr. S. Mo, Land Counsel for the petitioner has made a prayer for adjournment for the case for 2 weeks. Consent allowed after 2 weeks.
Much.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4 and 20. 4 and 20.
One by one. 4.
4.
Yes.
I on behalf of C. Modi, the leading counsel, is out of his station. So
Okay.
matter may be list after 2 weeks.
Mr.
T by.
Land Counsel has submitted that the leading counsel, Mr. C. Modi, is out of station on personal ground and has thus made a prayer for adjournment of the case for
For petitioner,
how much?
For
Time,
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay, constantly video, prayer is allowed, raise the case after 2 weeks. On a date to fix by the office. Then
Then item number 20.
20,
Yes,
same,
yes, same.
okay, same, wrong same.
Online.
May I please, my lord, I beg to mention item number 6.
6.
Yes, my lord, on behalf of DK Durable.
Hmm,
It may be listed after 3 weeks, my lord. He's not well, my lord.
Mr.
ATM.
Council. Appearing on behalf of Mr. D.K. Devi, learning council for a petition has made a prayer for adjournment of the case. Post of, as it is submitted that consent has been taken from the sponsor. As paid for, raise the case of the chiefs. Ready to fix by the office.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8 and 9.
8 and 9,
Yes.
yes,
We were connected on behalf of the Tagum Standing Council for Education. We need to file a counter affidavit,
yes,
maybe grant 2 weeks time.
2 weeks. Who is for a petitioner?
Petition I have taken consent.
Okay, Mr. Your name, please.
RP.
Learned Council, on behalf of Mr. T. Tagum,
Yes.
Learned Standing Council Education Department has paid for and is granted 2 weeks time to file counter affidavits on behalf of the Education Department authorities in both the writ petitions. First of it is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Council.
And Lordship, item number 22.
22,
Yes. Here, I am on behalf of petitioner.
petitioner,
Yes. I've
Okay.
received the counter affidavit filed by the respondent. I need to file a rejoinder.
okay.
I may be grant 3 weeks.
Mr. Spencer, Learned Council for the petitioner has paid for and is granted 3 weeks time to file an affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents. Please the case accordingly after 3 weeks.
Much.
My lord, I beg to mention the item number 3 and 21.
3,
Yes, my lord. Clear?
yes,
And I'm, on
your
behalf of-
name, you are for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. I on behalf of El Perme. The matter may be listed after 2 weeks, my lord.
Okay, El Parme,
Yes, my lord.
Mr. So your name please.
My name, T. Rolex.
Okay, Learned Council representing Mr. L. Parme. Learned Council for the petitioner has sought listing of the case after 2 weeks. It is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Council for the respondents to make the prayer. Raise the case accordingly after summons. And next,
And my lord, item number 21.
21,
Yeah.
same
taken
Parme,
Yes, I have taken the consent from other party.
after
2 weeks.
2 weeks, okay.
Lordship, I'm I'm on behalf of the Standing Council for Horticulture in item number 21.
Okay, Mr.
Ditali.
D. Tali,
Yes, sir.
Learned Council on behalf of, has appeared on behalf of,
Standing Council for the Horticulture Department.
you are the Standing Council.
No, Lordship.
Who
I'm
is
on
this?
behalf of Standing Council.
Who is the Standing Council?
T. Gyatso.
Okay, ठीक है, sir. It's present.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23 to 26, Lordship, on behalf of D. Pangang.
Yes.
Council D. Pangang is out of station, Lordship.
Hmm.
Matter may be taken after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Your name, please.
T. Darin, Togga Darin.
Learned Council. Representing Mr. D. Pangi,
Yes, Lordship.
Learned Council for the petition. Petitioners has made a prayer for adjournment of the cases for 2 weeks.
Yes,
Huh?
Lordship,
2
2
weeks.
weeks.
Okay, it is submitted that consent has been taken from the census. The prayer is allowed to list the cases after 2 weeks, only date to fixed by the office. Yes.
Lordship, also item number 34, Lordship.
34,
Yes,
on behalf of Diki Bangi,
yes, Lordship.
respondent,
Yes,
Same, 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, madam.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 31 and 32, lordship.
Hmm.
Similar matter also is fixed on 14th. I humbly pray that both the matters may be fixed. Even it's reflected in item number 32. That matter may be listed on 14th. As per
Okay.
order
On the-
dated 8/4, lordship.
On the prayer of Ms. D. Ghosh, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Your Lordship, if I may, Your Lordship. In item number 32, Your Lordship,
Huh?
we have, in 32, Your Lordship,
Yes.
we have not been furnished with the extra copies.
Extra copy.
Yes, I will furnish. I will furnish.
Okay, on the prayer of Ms. D. Ghosh, learned counsel for the petitioners, these are the cases on 14/5/2025. Mr. So-and-so, learned state counsel is in attendance. Who is in attendance, submitted that extra copies of the writ petitions along with annexer in item 32,
No, Your 31, Your Lordship.
31.
Yes, Your Lordship.
31 has not yet been furnished, have not yet been furnished. MS Ghosh, learned counsel for the petition, has submitted that the extra copy will be supplied within 2 working days from today.
Yes, lordship, I'll make sure that. Lordship,
Okay.
interim order may be continued, lordship,
The interim order passed
or
earlier
in
shall
both the
continue.
cases.
Orders passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7. I'm appearing on behalf.
7.
Yes, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of Jamo petitioner, connecting council order station.
B. Jamo.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Your name, please.
Sita Jo.
Okay, learned counsel representing Mr. P. Jamo. How much time?
So 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Has prayed for listing of the case after 2 weeks. Consent, allowed, raise the case after 2 weeks. Any interim order?
No, Your Lordship.
Huh?
No, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Obliged.
I am the respondent, Lordship. Yes, interim model is there, Lordship.
Interim order is there?
Yes.
Okay, interim order passed earlier shall
This matter, Lordship, after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
Passed earlier shall
I am
continue
the
till
private
the
respondent,
till the next date of listing. Mr.
Mr. G. Bangla.
And counsel for the private respondent.
Yes, Lordship, private.
Is in attendance.
Obliged.
My Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 10 and 11 on behalf of Disoki. Your Lordship, Disoki is currently out of station and fresh for fixing this matter.
You are there.
I am for the petitioner.
Yes.
Date-
Disoki is
date
for,
will be-
Disoki is for
For the
who?
private respondent,
Private respondent number 5.
Beneficiary.
beneficiary, yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
There is no stay order in this matter. The construction works is almost at the verge of completion. That's what I've heard now from the official. Date may be fixed, Lordship. If it's not there,
Okay. Mr. A. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner is present. Mr.
J. Karba.
Learned counsel on behalf of Mr. D. Soki, learned counsel for the private respondent, has made a prayer for adjournment, post of as sought for and agreed to list the case or
15th,
individually, list the case on
15th of May,
15th,
15th.
okay, 15/05/2015. Mr. Nabab,
Jitara,
Zika,
standing as RWD.
standing counsel,
RWD.
RWD is present. Any record required?
Lordship.
Record required.
Record is otherwise required because they had rejected
No,
my.
order has been passed earlier.
Yes, we have
I think
filed
it has
our
been passed.
affidavits.
Okay, affidavit,
Affidavit has been filed, Lordship.
same.
One observation, since there is urgency in the matter, endeavor will be made to dispose of the matter on the next day.
10/11, same. Okay,
Only one observation, since there is urgency in the matter,
I don't know, I have not opened the file.
just for that.
You are, that's,
Otherwise, my lord, the work is complete. They also approached this amount very late.
late.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oblige, Your Lordship.
15/5.
Both matters, Lordship.
15/5.
I like to mention, some, rate petition, pending rate petition also. I've been requested to, this, national matter, letter will fix on the first May.
First,
One more mention,
One compensation matter.
I'm still 15 को कर
Next week, next week.
May I, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 15, Your Lordship. In this matter, we are going to file our counter affidavit, so at least 2 weeks may be given, Your Lordship.
Okay, Miss so-and-so learned State Council has paid for and is granted 2 weeks time
Yes, Your Lordship.
to file an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents. It is submitted that
Obvious, Your
the
Lordship.
learned council petition has been duly informed. Oh, you are there,
Yes,
Mr.
T. Darren.
Learned council petitioner, who is in attendance, has agreed to the state prayer.
Obvious, Your Lordship.
May I, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18. And
18.
18. We have taken a consent from government body also. And
You are Mr. A.K. Singh.
T. Nima, I am appearing on behalf of A.K. Singh.
T.
Nima.
Okay, learned council. Appearing on behalf of Mr. A.K. Singh, learned council petition has paid for listing of the case after
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay, it is submitted that consent has been taken from the learned council respondents to make the prayer.
Deeply obliged.
Nancy Enterprise. Yes, yes.
My lord, I was supposed to produce the document. Admittedly, petitioner participated in all 3 packages of same advertisement. Nature of work is also same, construction of hostel building, school buildings. So he participated in 3. So in 2 packages, all the documents are similar, machinery man and machinery which he punishment. So 2 packages was rejected, 1 package he was admitted. So if 3 packages allow that there is a bid capacity also difficult. Then 1 set of machinery he cannot use in 3 packages. That's why in 2 packages his bid was rejected. And even in 1 packages which he was given awarded, he has surrendered, which indicate that he is not interested in projects. He is only interested in disturbing the development activity.
In 3 packages, he submitted tenders.
Yes, with same
sets of machineries, manpower.
manpower.
And according to you, the bid evaluation committee
Yes,
rejected his bids in 2 packages.
2 packages
And the third one, his bid was accepted.
accepted.
Then what happened?
Then in 3rd one, he was awarded the works.
That was he abandoned.
And now that has been
Surrendered.
now abandoned by the petitioner.
Surrendered.
Surrender.
Okay.
Lordship, my case is that the process of evaluation. That my case is on that process of evaluation.
No, package you have got, you have also surrendered.
Yes, Lordship, actually what it becomes a so hostile condition, Lordship. The reason for rejection, Lordship will find at page 188. And I think
So this is at the motion stage.
Yes.
Is it not?
Yes. Lordship, we are on the process of now page 88 says that Lordship in 3 I have submitted 3 packages. Let's say A, B, and C, Lordship.
1 minute. Work order has been allotted.
Yes.
What is the nature of the work?
Construction of
Road construction or what?
no building.
Building construction.
Construction of school building. Quarter. One is 20 bedded hostel building, including kitchen and dining hall.
Period. The respondent was enlisted.
In the schools.
What is your ground for challenging this?
Lordship, My ground is
The
that,
respondent number 6 could not execute the work.
Lordship, there are two grounds basically. First is the Lordship, the process of evaluation, the whole process of evaluation, who have capacity or not. That is very arbitrary because they are saying that technically, suppose I have submitted three bits, A, B, and C. In A, I should have mentioned about B and C. In B, I should have mentioned about A and C. And C, I should have mentioned about A and B. That I have not done in all three. Now their interpretation is that I have concealed this information. Now, but the clause says that at the time of submission, whether there was any pending work or not. Now that's why if page
Where is
one,
the relevant clause?
yes, relevant. Lordship will find it and page 27 annex 3. Lordship. Page 27 annex 3, the reason for not responsive is 1.3.2b section 3. This your Lordship will, for easy reference, Lordship will if Lordship page 9 paragraph my para 7, this clause interpretation I have.
Let us see the clause in your document.
Yes. Annex 3 page 27, this is the reason the clauses are 1.3.2 B of section 3.
Section 3.
Yes.
Let us go to section 3. Section 3.
Lordship, yes. Lordship for
Okay, page 63.
yes, Lordship, page 6.
4.4.BA. Sorry, 1.3.2B. Works for which bids have already been submitted.
Yes,
Now you have submitted 3 bids on the same date.
same day. Meaning thereby
Yes, that will have a bearing on the bid capacity.
yes. Lordship,
Evidently,
yes, Lordship, that I agree.
with the same machinery, with the same manpower, you cannot work at 3 places.
Yes, Lordship. But
Ultimately, state will suffer.
Lordship, that's why my case is on the process of evaluation, the reason they are giving. My case is on that. Now, what happens that I'm not challenging here that what I have filled up, this nil is justified or not. What I'm saying is that if they wanted to reject, they have said that you cannot work with same machinery. They should have mentioned. They should not have given us wrong information. That page 27 that I have misrepresented. I have misinformed that.
But 1.3.2B, it is specifically mentioned.
Yes, Lordship, that I agree with.
Their other grounds may not be sustainable. We
Yes.
are examining 1.3.2B,
Yes, Lordship.
right?
Lordship.
And on the same date, you
Lordship.
have submitted 3 bids.
Lordship.
Now come to page 63.
Lordship.
Works for which bids have already been submitted.
Yes, Lordship.
So you are the best person to know
Lordship, yes.
where you are submitting bids.
Yes.
It is not for them to examine and investigate. You should be transparent also.
That's why, Lordship, in all three.
Fairness is not one-way street.
Yes, Lordship.
Fairness is two-way street, like two-lane highway.
Lordship, yes.
Fairness from one side, fairness from the other side.
Yes, Lordship.
Here you have not mentioned.
Lordship, I have not mentioned in all three. But what they should have rejected me in all three.
They are showing fairness.
No, Lordship. That and why they
You
are
could have rejected all, but they
Yes.
are showing fairness.
No, Lordship. There
With the same, show me if you have submitted with the same machinery. Do you have the bid capacity?
Lordship, here.
Because egos,
Lordship, yes.
personal so-and-so always stay at a distance. It is a commercial transaction,
Yes, Lordship.
right?
I agree.
We are not going by personal egos or whatever,
Yes, Lordship.
making mountains out of molds, right?
Lordship.
We want to see whether the process adopted is fair enough on the basis of the facts, right?
Yes.
Now, show me you have bid capacity to execute all three.
Now, Lord,
At least 1.3.2b.
yes, Lordship.
You are the best person
Lordship, yes.
that you have submitted 3 bids on the same date,
Same day. Yes.
right?
Yes.
With the same machinery,
Same machinery.
with the same manpower,
Same manpower.
and all these works
Yes.
are to be executed at different places.
No, Lordship, within same division. Within the same division. It's only about some distance only.
That makes the difference.
Lordship, here, that's what I'm my
If you
piece
can
is
establish
no, sir.
that you have the bid capacity for all three. Otherwise, yes,
Yes,
we have to see the totality of the, it appears to be fairness on the part of the state.
no, Lordship, what I'm saying is that
What is the affidavit? Affidavit is submitted.
yes, Lordship, I'm saying.
Affidavit submitted.
They have not submitted.
Affidavit we have not yet filed. We have record was called for.
Any region recorded?
The reason clause which we have given in the reject, that is the
Any minutes?
No, nothing.
now, as of now, technical and financial minus there, it is there.
Let us have one file. And what are the other 2 clauses?
No, same thing that I have
Let us see.
written nil and it amounts to misinterpretation, misrepresentation.
4.7 Roman 1, section 2.
No, sir, yes.
4.7 Roman. And 4.4 BA. 4.4 BA. Roman 2. Uh, 4.4 BA may not be attracted prima facie. LOA was issued to you in one package on 20 March 2025.
Yes, Lordship.
The very next day you withdrew.
We will.
Huh?
Yes. Because, Lordship, the process of evaluation, they were doubtful, Lordship.
Huh?
The process, the how they were evaluating the things. Lordship, there was some apprehension, that's why, Lordship, we have filed one representation also. that the process of evaluation should be in all fairness. Page 249, Lordship. Please. Para 11. And Lordship, the respondent number 6 is doing work in first and second. They are doing, respondent are doing that work simultaneously. Whether they have also capacity to do that work or not, that has also to be looked into, Lordship.
You withdraw for encouraging wider participation.
Lordship, yes, before all this evaluation process started, Lordship, may I take Lordship to page 249? That
Now, you take me to the part where a contractor withdraws. What is the consequence?
Lordship, that
After getting awarded,
Lordship,
there must be something in the tender document. Let us see. We have to see totality of facts, then we will examine. If once the work has been awarded,
Lordship,
if the contractor withdraws, what is the consequence to be visited?
L2 will be awarded.
Huh?
L2.
No, you are not getting it.
Lordship, that I have not looked into that.
You are not getting it. Once the work is awarded, right? Then you withdraw.
Lordship.
Then what is the consequence which is likely to be visited with?
Lordship, I could not find here in the SBD, but however, general law is.
What is the consequence otherwise? Any idea? In a document? Letter of acceptance, section 8, come to section 8, page 95. Just see. Okay, technical bid opening. Admitted. Non-responsive. East Enterprise. Sir, tender documents were asked for.
Yes, Lordship, tender documents were asked.
3 tenders submitted by the petition.
Yeah.
Huh?
Documents are.
Affidavits have been filed.
No, it's
No.
in motion, it says nothing.
No.
Oh,
This way.
this is your additional affidavit.
Yes, Lordship, that is. Bringing that as per his last order.
Do you have the 3 tenders?
Yes, Lordship. 3 tender on the same date.
Standing counsel. To produce the relevant records relating to the 3 tenders submitted by the petition.
Yes.
Let us have a look. Which is the part 4.4.B? Have you marked it?
Just now I received my lord. That is in next, the petition itself is there, page 188.
Yes, counsel, can you
Yes.
find out? Can you find out from here? Mark it.
That is. Lordship, in my writ petition, it will be there.
Let us see from the court has asked for a record.
Yes.
We should look from the record. That 4.4.B something. That column.
This correctness of affidavit.
Huh?
Here, permission affidavit that.
No, that table. Works for which bids have already been submitted. There is a specific format perhaps.
Yes, format
Yes,
here,
this form.
submit as nil.
Okay, in your additional affidavit where it is, page
Page. Page. Like that.
you are not aware also.
Lordship,
You have filed such a big affidavit.
that I have procured from him only.
Huh? No, you have not.
It
Marked
was,
up.
it was online, Lordship. That's why they have given.
No, you have filed the
affidavit.
affidavit.
Yes, Lordship.
Right?
Lordship, yes.
Running into 1,000 pages.
Lordship, yes.
Shall we look into all?
Yes, Lordship. That,
No, only the relevant part we'll look into.
Lordship, for easy reference, writ petition may be taken. No, Lordship.
Huh?
Because page one.
No, court has observed in the last two orders.
Yes,
that
Lordship.
court would like to look into the original record.
Lordship, yes.
Right? If you say this is original record, it is your affidavit.
Yes, Lordship, yes.
Which page? Which 3 pages?
Lordship, that's why I'm looking into. Lordship.
You have not come prepared.
Lordship, no, that additional affidavit, Lordship,
Sir,
exactly.
you have based your case on 4.4.BA, BB, right?
Lordship, yes.
You have filed this affidavit
Lordship,
of this size.
Lordship, yes.
Is it not? Apart from another 300 pages in the main writ petition.
Lordship, yes.
And you have not marked the 3 pages where the main preliminary information is given.
Lordship, actually, these all documents were submitted online.
All documents, but it is your document.
Yes, Lordship, yes. I agree. That's why in the writ petition I have marked it, but in the additional I have not marked it because.
You don't do that for more. It is like reading the book in the examination hall. Let us take the next case, then we'll examine. In the meantime, you read the book. Yes,
Your Lordship, this matter is regarding cancellation of GST registration without
Yes.
notice, Your Lordship.
notice, I think notice is there, sir. It is in a common portal.
That is why, Your Lordship, I would like to detail with a brief story. Your Lordship, I am running a wood best factory at Changlang district.
I can understand, sir, but legal name of business is Thing Up Taiju.
Tingap Taiju.
Huh?
But Your Lordship,
Nowhere the petitioner's name is appearing.
I am Devendra Singh Rathore. So I
Where
am
is
on
his name?
lease deed agreement, Your Lordship, on page number 17.
Sir, come to page 14. Legal name of business?
Tingap Taiju,
Tingap
Your Lordship.
Taiju.
He is the actual
Title-
proprietor.
Huh?
He is the actual proprietor of Rangfra Wood Industry.
Trade name Rangfra
Rangfra Wood Industry.
Industries.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
Lordship.
where is the
Page number 17 is the lease deed agreement. Your Lordship, I have a typed copy, which clearly it reflected that all the GST matter would be handled by me. It has been agreed by the actual proprietor. Your Lordship, if I may read for this, the lease deed agreement for you.
this
Tingap Taiju, Your Lordship. Since from 2020, Your Lordship, I'm running this wood-based factory. And all the GST prior to that, I was the person who was paying.
Will issue notice at this stage?
Your Lordship,
Doubtful case.
even I have paid the GST till
You are a
2025.
proxy. You are a proxy.
Your Lordship, the matter is also that
Let us issue notice.
right now, Your Lordship, because all the dispatch items are ready, but because of
What
cancellation.
notice? You are a standing counsel.
Yes, Lordship, for CGST.
So Your Lordship, at least Your Lordship, the activation of registration.
Cannot be. It is as good as allowing the writ petition.
Yes, otherwise there's a question regarding locus standi also. They need
Locus is
authority.
doubtful.
Yes, authority.
Locus is doubtful. Had Thingap Taiju
Your Lordship, even there
been the
is.
petitioner, the thing would have been different.
The problem is, Your Lordship, because
And your case is notice was not served. From there, it is very much clear that you are the proxy. Because notice is in the common portal
Yes, Lord.
and it can be accessed by the person.
Your Lordship, the
Your
matter.
case is that notice was not served. Law is settled. Notice uploaded in the common portal of the GST is amounts to service. Your case is based on that. Yes, impugn order is arbitrary. That order is reflecting no region. But question is about the locus.
Your
Yes,
Lordship,
Lord.
This is liable to be set aside, no doubt. But question is about locus. Who are you? GST registration is not in your name.
yes, definitely, Your Lordship, but it has been authorized.
Let them reply. Then we can set aside. Without notice, this cannot be set aside.
But Your Lordship,
You have to establish your locus. Then it can be set aside. Court cannot be a party to a person who is a proxy. You establish on the basis of lease agreement. Is it a registered agreement?
yes, Your Lordship.
Huh? It is a registered lease agreement.
Yes, Your Lordship. It
Where
has
is the
been.
registration, sir? Notary.
No, it has been executed in the executive magistrate, Changlang district, Your Lordship. Page number 19, Your Lordship.
A sub-register office is not functioning.
Uh,
In the state of Arunachal Pradesh, office of the sub-register is not functioning.
Sub-register,
Registration office.
registration.
Suppose you want to purchase a land
Yes, Lordship.
or anything, sub-register office is functioning or not?
I don't have detail in the Changlang, the headquarter district in this
No,
regard.
no. Yes, Mr. Tara, sub-register office is functioning or not functioning? Huh? Lease agreement.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, Lord.
As per the Transfer of Property Act and Registration Act, lease agreement for any tenure above 1 year is compulsory, registration is compulsory. And registration is to be done before the office of the sub-registrar.
Okay, Your Lord.
Right. There are many questions and answers. Right. Otherwise, this order at page 15, ex-specie is not sustainable in law.
Yes, Lordship, therefore, even I would like
But
to suggest.
question is about locus,
Yes,
the person before the court. You buy this agreement,
Yes,
you cannot step into the shoes of that person. You may be running the business as a manager or whatever, but everything is the name of Tingkap Taiju. And this lease agreement is not a lease agreement in the eye of law. Right? Not registered before sub-registration office. Second part is that any lease agreement above the tenure of 1 year is compulsory, registration is compulsory. You cannot step into the shoes. You first establish your locus with some other manner by filing additional affidavit.
Okay, Your Lordship.
We will be issuing notice.
Lordship, I would like to suggest my brother. It's better because the later on locus issue will become
Locus, I will
better.
keep it open.
He withdraw.
I'll
Yes,
record.
yes, he withdraw and let him file fresh by taking authority.
Tangkuk comes?
Yes,
Okay.
because otherwise that will be it fractures for that petitioner only.
I
That's my
know
advice.
what happens, I know, sir.
Yes.
I am not saying in the court, since I am in the court.
Sure, Your Lordship.
It's my advice, Lordship.
I know.
Yeah, definitely, I will check the advice
Up
from.
to you.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I
Liberty
will
to
observe.
file fresh.
Okay, Your Lordship. I would like to withdraw this case and I would like to refile this.
You come with the main person. With
Your
whom the
Lordship, actually, I would like to just, because I didn't brought this into the record. Actually, there is a legal dispute between this Tingkap Taiju and me. And the factory is been.
It is up to you, sir.
That is why,
Because,
Lordship, there is.
see, you are running the business in another's name.
So
Your GST registration,
definitely,
payment of tax, everything is the name of Tingkap Taiju. And he is the owner of Rangfram Wood Industries.
Yes.
Right. Now, by entering into an agreement with this Tangkham Taiju, you are running the business.
yes, Your Lord.
But every document, legal document, is in the name of Tingkap
Tingkap
Taiju. Right. You are paying the tax in the name of Tingkap Taiju.
Yes.
You are not paying the tax. Tax is being paid. If somebody goes to jail, Tingkap Taiju will go to jail, not you, for doing any kind of fraud by you, suppose.
But Your Lordship, lease.
No, this court cannot permit this. Heard, Mr. Bona fide of the petitioner is to be examined, right?
Okay.
What do you want?
Okay, I would like to withdraw this case and I would refile again.
Heard, Mr.
M. Hali.
Hali, Learned Counsel for Petitioner, Mr.
T. Kipa, standing counsel for CGST.
Learned Counsel, CGST.
Yeah.
Okay. After any Learned Counsel for the party, that's some length, Mr. So-and-so. Kali, Learned Counsel for the petition has submitted that the petition wants to withdraw the writ petition with liberty.
Much, thank you.
So in view of divorce submission made by Mr. Hali, Learned Counsel for the petition, the writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal, with the liberty as paid for. But come up with better particulars. The impugned order is liable to be set aside, but not by this petition. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Pages.
it is there. 347.
No, second two. Second two. This one, this one. Page.
347.
Oh,
That is for first, annexure 15, that is for first package that I have submitted, and 492 for second. And for third, I have submitted 637.
then let us issue notice then. You explain your position. Then only we can examine their bona fide. Hard.
I think notice has already been issued.
Notice issued.
Yes, Lordship. Today, Lordship, it was for consideration of interim plans.
If I do so, may not be to your benefit. May not be to your benefit.
Lordship, actually, what I'm on that, Lordship, if before abolition also I have apprehension, that's why I file one representation also that scrutiny of the documents should be done, because their documents also doubtful. Because
whose document?
The respondent number 6. Because respondent primary.
For that to examine, he has to come before the court.
Yes, Lordship.
But for your rejection of technical bid,
Yes, Lordship.
already work has been awarded.
Lordship, yes.
And it is an infrastructure project ultimately.
Lordship,
Construction of a building. We'll issue notice if you want to have the interim period as regards rejection of technical bid. Your technical bid is concerned.
Lordship, yes.
We can decide. We can decide.
Yes, Lordship.
We'll decide.
Now, Lordship, let's hear from them, Lordship, in affidavit.
Okay. Then you file your affidavit within 1 week
Within 1 week.
or 10 days. We will fix a date. Keep the matter open for consideration. Otherwise, on the basis of that, I have already framed my mind.
Lordship, let them come up with affidavit.
So I have given you indication.
Yes.
You worry.
You worry, Lordship.
Heard Mr. Evori, Council for the petitioner. And Mr. G. Tarak, Standing Council. Rural Works Department for the respondent number 1 to 5.
1 to 5.
When notice was issued, sir?
Lordship, it was on 20, no, 3/4/2020.
No.
Notice.
Notice.
Lordship, yes, this para 3 Lordship.
Huh?
Last order, Lordship, 3/4/2025, paragraph 3, issue
3/4.
notice.
Okay. What about the service?
Lordship, I have the extra copies to them, and
About the private respondent?
yes, private respondent also I have taken steps.
22/4. It has gone on only on 22/4.
Yes, Lordship.
Means
20.
today is 24.
4.
Only 2 days back.
Yes, Lordship.
And this respondent was 6 and 7, where they are located?
Lordship,
Their office address.
There, that Lower Siang, Lordship.
Huh?
Lower Siang, both. Lower Siang, Likabali.
Lower Siam. Mr. Tarak, Learner Standing Council Rural Works Department has placed the relevant records relating to the three tenders submitted by the petitioner on 18/3/2025, as called for by the order dated 3/4/2025. Full stop. The same are perused. Full stop. In view of the rejection, reasons for declaring the bid of the petitioner as non-responsive, the respondent Rural Works Department shall bring the regions, shall explain the regions in the form of affidavit, as the regions are mentioned by reference to the clauses of the tender document within bracket Roman, small Roman 1, you look at page 27. Clause 1.3.2 within bracket capital B of section 3, semicolon, small Roman 2 within bracket 4, clause 4.7 within bracket small Roman 1 of section 2, and within bracket small Roman 3, clause 4.4 point B, capital B, within bracket small a, within bracket small Roman 2 of section 2. In reference to the bid document submitted by the petition. You explain the region. Lays the case in view of the office notes dated 22/04/2025. Await for the service report in respect of respond number 6 and 7. The affidavit shall be filed within 10 days time. Lays the case on 9th of May. 9th of May. Yes. In the admission column. I'll Yes.
Lordship, I may be allowed some more time to take instruction from the respondent number. Lordship, 1 and 2, Lordship.
1 and 2.
Yes, Lordship. Director Housing, Lordship. They had a standing council before, Lordship.
You are standing council.
No, Lordship. They had a standing council
Earlier.
before, earlier, yeah.
Okay.
No,
Mr.
it's not
Tagum,
there anymore.
Learned Council for the petition, and Miss
Theater, Lordship.
Learned State Council for all the respondents.
Lords,
All the respondents. MS Swinso, Learned State Council has submitted that she would require some more time to
3 weeks
obtain.
time- 3 weeks time may be allowed, Lordship.
She would require
Yes.
some more time to obtain instructions from the respondent number 1 and the
One
respondent
and-
number 2
1 and 2, 3, 4 we have filed already, Lordship.
as paid for by so-and-so, learned counsel for the MS so-and-so. This is the case of 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Lordship, these
For filing of affidavit, he'll file affidavit
Yes, if not.
to obtain the necessary instructions and
Yes.
file affidavit in opposition if so advised.
Yes, Lordship.
these interim.
Interim order, the interim order passed regular shall continue till the next date of business.
Six. Okay.
Somebody was seeking adjournment, Moni. Who was seeking adjournment?
Standing counsel of that,
I was seeking adjournment, Your Lordship, on behalf of Standing Council BP RD,
Okay, standing counsel, which department?
RD, Rural Development, Your Lordship.
Oh,
He is out of station. He will appear tomorrow, Your Lordship.
tomorrow, sir, it will be difficult for me to decide. I have some other official business also in Assam. On the way, I have to attend those. I have to leave early. So some other day then, if the standing counsel is not available, they are the authority.
authority, my lord.
Yes.
No, my lord, this authority is the deputy commissioner, that respondent number 3.
My lord, recruiting agency was given to this RD initially. Then again, that was shifted to Duda, if I correctly remember, my lord.
Real development now.
Yes.
Now, my lord, the state governments is appointed the department of RD as a nodal departments, RD, or appointed as that PD, project director is nodal officers, my lord.
Let all the parties be there, otherwise it will be difficult.
My lord, everything has bidders, everything has a process of the tenders was
No, I am not saying that. I am saying that if the council is not available,
developed.
I am making a prayer for adjournment.
Otherwise, my lord, it's a clear shut case, my lord. They don't have any legal right, my lord.
Don't know. I cannot say that. You cannot say that. If we hold that the deputy commissioner is acting at the behest of the local MLA, then a matter goes.
No, that is the version, my lord, but our version
No,
is
it
different.
is a document version. We have to examine what he has written, deputy commissioner, that as told by, verbally instructed by MLA,
Yes, my lord.
that may go.
But your lordship kindly see, my lord, the
If the
meeting
deputy
attended-
commissioner is not exercising his discretion, he is under dictation of the MLA, then everything goes.
No, that was.
Everything is vitiated. But the
My lord-
question is that let him be there, otherwise it will be difficult.
No, that is why, my lord, my cases are like this, so that.
I am not saying,
Yes,
I am tentatively, I am saying this matter may go this way or that way.
That way, my
That's
lord.
right.
Both sides have good points, bad points.
If my friend can demonstrate the action of the deputy commissioner malified, then my lord, yes, matter may be different. Otherwise, my lord, so far legal right is concerned, my lord, yes.
Mr.
We.
I put it. Bui,
Yes, my lord.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Navam. Right?
Or respond number 4, my lord.
For the response number 4, petitioner petition. Mr.
P. Tarin, on behalf of BP Lordship,
Learned Standing Counsel,
RD Lordship,
Rural Development,
Rural Development.
has submitted that Mr. So-and-so is not available, is out of station,
Yes, Your Lordship.
out of station on personal gain. He has paid, he has thus paid for listing of the cases. Two case,
No, two cases, my lord.
Two-
The matter may be fixed on the 30, my lord. 30 of this month.
cases.
30.
Also, as
Wednesday.
paid for and has agreed to by the Learned Council for the parties, list the cases on 30. 30. Okay. 1, 2, any. Okay, 1 or 2.
Okay, one, my lord. One, my.
ये तो division में Thursday न होगा नहीं. Division में Thursday न हाँ? Okay. Okay. First of May. You argued very passionately. Yes, madam.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
My lordship, this is of freezing of accounts of
Freezing of account by whom?
by the on the direction of the police, by the banks, of course. Lordship, the admitted facts here are the persons, the petitioners herein are nowhere related to any criminal case. But the person from whom the money has been transferred for various reasons, personal reasons, that person was accused of extortion by somebody else.
Okay, one.
That is the case.
1 minute. Okay. What is the order or information? Let us see.
Lordship, no information was given to us.
First case. Let us see the documents.
Yes, Lordship, no information was given to us.
Let us see the document annexes.
Yes, Lordship.
What is the alleged amount?
Amount, Lordship, 50,000.
Credited to the
50,000
account?
only.
50,000.
Yes. Money received is at page 14, 15.
This sum has been credited
Yes, this
in
sum
the bank account,
in my bank account
your bank account,
by the alleged accused person
by transfer.
by transfer, Lordship.
Okay.
So, Lordship,
Now let us see the FIR.
FIR is, of course, totally unrelated to me.
Right,
But
right,
yes,
right.
yes.
Let us have a look at least.
Yes.
I have not seen it.
Yes, Lordship. Starts at page 16, Lordship.
Page 16. Type copy.
Yes, type copy is also there.
Please, sir.
That copy starts at page 21.
Okay, let me read it.
Yes, from the in the bottom.
Again, Son Tajum.
Yes,
That is the accused.
yes.
Officer in charge. The content. With the informant.
Informant is one Nyamar Rike.
Huh?
Nyamar Rike.
Yamarike.
Yes. Your Lordship will find this.
Yamarike.
Yes.
Yamarike.
Yes.
Subject, FIR against three. Rajan Tajum is lady.
No, Eraxan Tazam is a
Female.
man.
Okay. His second wife, my Kotong Tajum.
Yes.
Second wife.
FIR is against two persons.
Okay. Wrongful convey assumption. And where from this money has been received?
From Lordship,
This money of 50,000 has been received from whom?
Eraxan Tazam.
That lady?
No, the man,
Man.
the accused person.
Okay.
Lordship may note one thing. The alleged offense as part of FIR took place on 31st of August. 31st of August, 2024.
1st of August.
Yes, on the night, I think on the night of 31st.
No, 31st of August, then maybe
Then the,
extortion was later on.
no, Lordship. 31st of August, the story, of course, when it is seen, it is different from different perspectives. The perspective of Eraxan Tazam, and as part of FIR also, he was caught with the wife of Eraxan Tazam
Right.
on
That
31st of,
I have read.
yes,
I have read.
yes, 31st of August.
31st of August.
And then there was some,
he lodged the FIR.
he
He
lo-
said they
yes.
forced me to pay
yes,
on 2nd of September.
2nd of September.
Right.
And that payment was made
Uh,
by this complainant through RTGS to Erection Tajam on 2nd of September. FIR was lodged on 29th of September. Yes. So
and money was credited in your account when?
on Lordship on 9th of September.
So in between.
In between, before the FIR was lodged.
After transfer of money.
After transfer of money.
Okay.
So, Lordship, what happened?
Where is the letter from the police to the bank?
That is, Lordship, after this case was registered. After this case was filed.
Any affidavit filed?
Yes, in their affidavit, Lordship. Affidavit filed by the respondent number 2 at page 46.
Can I give a visual?
At page 46.
559. Bank, who has filed the affidavit?
The respondent number 2.
Who is he?
Respondent number 2 is the officer in charge.
Officer in charge.
Yes. Information was given on 6th of January 2025.
Let me read his affidavit.
Affidavit, Lordship, paragraph 5 would be relevant.
Transfer your account by check on 16/9.
Lordship, the money receipt was on 9/9/24.
But it was, if it is by check,
Yes.
then we
It must have been credited later on.
Huh?
It must have been credited later on.
No, come to the entry first. Page 40. Check number is given 42.
Next, the bank statement.
Lordship,
it is there, entry
we
is
have
there.
we have received the money, bank was transferred. That is not disputed.
Let us get the
Yes.
facts clear, madam.
Yes, yes.
Can you see the WPC 558?
I look into it.
In this, what's it, affidavit is clear.
1 minute. So matter has been, the freezing is pursuant to a letter to the manager of the branch.
It appears so, Lordship.
And matter has also been informed to the Chief Judicial Magistrate.
Yes, but it was not informed to us, Lordship.
No, it is not required. to
Yes, of
inform.
course, but we had no
You
knowledge
don't have
until,
any right to get
yes,
information. But so far as the procedural formalities, that was I was checking.
yes, Lordship,
Whether it was informed to the Chief Judicial Magistrate or not.
yes.
So it appears
It was-
belatedly,
it wa-
but
yes,
it was informed.
Yes, belatedly it was informed.
Belatedly, but
Yes.
it was informed.
Yes, after this case was filed. After this writ petition was filed. This writ petition was filed in the month of November. The
Hmm.
intimation was in the month of January 25.
Hmm.
Lordship may see the letter.
Hmm.
This is 6 January 2025, page 46.
Credit.
Yes,
What is the balance?
Lordship,
What is the balance in your account? What is the
that
balance in your
Lordship,
account?
that Lordship I have,
50,000 is not there. Come to your affidavit of opposition.
no, this is Lordship,
Huh? Come to the affidavit of opposition.
yes, Lordship. I have not actually seen this.
Lordship, I understand, Lordship, this 8 parts shown here. 50,000 has been transferred on 16/9.
16/9.
16/9
Ah.
to this petitioner.
Ah.
And then her balance shows only 6,000.
Ah.
So,
That is why I am saying.
see, it's still Lordship because 8 part procedure, Lordship. We have because
Right.
after the extortion,
After credit of 50,000
yes,
in his account,
yes.
there something is missing.
And Lordship, kindly. I
50,000. When the order of this thing was made,
No,
the
sir.
letter.
Letter
written?
is 6th of January 25.
No. To the bank manager.
Bank manager, 8 of October 2024. It seems. It is mentioned here.
Something is missing. Something is missing.
No, sir.
8th of October. By that time, your
Till then, it was not even
account
credited.
balance was
Till then, it seems it was not credited.
no.
Oh, sorry.
Madam,
Yeah.
at the time they
Yes.
gave the freezing instruction.
Yes.
Your balance was 6,000 only.
Yes. 6,000. let's see, he
6,000 only.
Taken out the money. Lots of
Yeah.
in on the 558.
Right.
Yes.
6,000.
Yes.
By the time you have withdrawn the money.
Yes. The money was taken as a loan from Erickson
No,
Facility.
no.
Yes.
It's a different matter.
That is a different matter.
Yes.
But apparently, prima facie, it is there.
Yes.
Now, which one you want to?
Yes, next Lordship, next 558.
Who is he? Tang.
This also the petitioner Lordship Tagang Gunchi. Lordship.
Tarang.
Annexer wants this
In the affidavit.
in the affidavit.
In the affidavit.
Yeah.
Okay. 558.
This will clarify all the
Annexer.
directions, Lordship. Annexer 1, page 38.
This is accused person's account. Uh-huh.
2024 Lordship, he receives 30 lakhs.
Hmm.
And before that, he had only 1.59 thousand.
Hmm.
Also, see the balance also.
Hmm.
And then on 4/9/2024 Lordship, this petitioner number 2, this petitioner, he had given 11.50 thousand, 11 lakhs 50,000. After getting of this 30 lakhs, Lordship. And then Lordship.
Tagam Ruchi. Tagam Ruchi.
And then the
Okay, Tagam Ruchi, huh?
next page, Lordship, third petitioner on 10/9/2024.
Senpi.
He transferred 2,16,000.
Senpi Raksak. Huh?
Senpi Raksa.
Huh.
Yes, and then this is 16/9/2024. First petitioner 50,000 Lordship.
Okay, Dengpo Gangja.
Yeah.
Oh.
Then no Ganga. Lordship, this clearly shows this, Lordship, the LS accused, Lordship, have directly transferred money to them from his account.
Tagam,
This is our stand here, Lordship.
Tagam Ruchi, in Tagam Ruchi's account, 6,97,000 is still there.
On first occasion, Lordship, the test
6 lakh.
status report was sought for, and I have been given the status report. Last time when it came up, Lordship, the petitioners, councils, they have taken adjournment, so it doesn't seem to be latest, but it was latest at that time.
Got it. What was the amount credited to Senpi Raksak?
50,000 Lordship.
No.
No,
No,
Lordship.
no.
Senpi Raksa is Lordship, 2,16,000
2,16,000.
on 10/9/2024.
Okay, she has also withdrawn many large amount. Only is 65,000 remaining.
Oh, Lordship.
Madam, everybody has withdrawn already.
Lordship,
But prima facie,
And
the money trail
yes,
goes to indicate that if this 30 lakh is crime money,
yes.
then that
Lordship.
amount has been credited to each of the 3 petitioners' account.
Yes, Lordship.
That Lordship, the money has been credited, that is not in dispute. What I'm trying to say, Lordship, in respect of Dengmo Gangkak, that money, 50,000 rupees, was a loan taken from Eraksen Tajam. In respect of Tagam Ruchi, Lordship, in respect of Tagam Ruchi and Senpi Raksak, much before all this thing happened,
Even if that
much
is-
before all this thing happened,
Even if that is paid out of crime money,
yes, Lordship,
even if your argument is accepted,
yes,
that money
yes,
is paid to you
yes,
out of crime money.
yes,
This is crime money,
Yes.
tainted money,
yes,
proceeds of crime.
yes,
If this is to be true,
yes,
right,
yes,
not yet proved, established,
yes,
because it has been transferred from Messrs. Lina Enterprise.
yes.
Which is Lina Enterprise?
Yes, MS Lina Enterprise.
Lordship,
Because at that
my submission is, Lordship, the reason why these kind of seizures are done is to facilitate the investigation. And for persons who are totally unconnected to a crime, even if it is a proceed out of the crime money, even if it is held to be so, then also, Lordship, there is a provision for taking an undertaking from them because they are not actually connected to the crime.
I also examined that aspect only,
Yes.
going through the statements.
Yes. What they are saying, Lordship, in their affidavit,
Just hear me out also.
yes,
If the first petitioners
yes,
in the account of the first petition,
yes,
had the money been above
yes,
50 lakhs,
yes,
say account was with 2 lakhs,
yes,
I would have asked the police authorities whether by marking a lien for 50,000, the petitioner can operate the bank account or not.
yes,
But I examined each of the 3 bank accounts.
yes,
Money presently in their account is much less than what the alleged crime money received in their account. Say, for example, first petitioner, tainted money allegedly 50,000. As on date, in the bank account, it is only 6,000. Right?
Yes.
Similar is the case of the second petitioner and third petition.
Yes.
Now, had it been the case that in the bank account of the first petitioner, there is 2 lakh, I would have asked the investigating authority, since your claim is only with regard to 50,000, why not you mark a lien over 50,000 and allow the petitioner to operate the bank account, right? But here is not the case in each of the 3 petitioners.
Yes.
They have withdrawn part of the alleged crime money.
Yes.
And other procedural requirements. Firstly, to the bank authority. Secondly, to the magistrate. Maybe belatedly, but that has been complied with.
Yes.
So it is assumed that prima facie crime money.
Lordship, may I put it this way? Lordship may hear my submission?
Yes, sure.
Yes. If, Lordship, there is no, if there is a link between the crime, the crime and the person, then it's a different aspect. In this case, much before the FIR was actually filed, these transactions happen. Unless they can link the persons to this crime, to this particular crime, then what purpose would it serve to keep the to freeze the money or to freeze the bank account? If they can link, then I have no case at all. Can they link? Can they freeze a third person's account in this way and keep it forever like this? They cannot do that.
Any police officer
Yes.
may seize
Yes.
any property
Yes.
which may alleged or suspected to have been stolen, or which may be found under circumstances which create suspicion of the commission of any offense.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
This is the power.
Yes.
Under CRPC.
Yes.
Notun phone.
106.
New one.
BNSS. Yes.
I am more acquainted with CRPC. 106.
Yes. Power of the police officer to seize. This was earlier 103, if I'm not mistaken.
102.
102. Sorry.
No, here he is the officer in charge himself.
Yes. What I'm saying is, Lordship, at this stage, Lordship, at this stage, what purpose would be served? It is the account, the money has been transferred, it is not denied. Everything is on paper. It is not as if they need further investigation in the matter. It is not as if there is some nexus between me and the accused person so far as this money is concerned. It is a, it is a,
suspected, crime precisely satisfies the ingredients of.
that will Lordship depend on the case there. If they can show that there is some nexus between us, except for the,
Nexus is not required. Sir.
yes,
Madam,
yes,
105 or 102 or 106.
yes.
Nexus is not
The-
required.
the-
He can seize the bank account. Because
Yes.
Bank account is termed as a property
Yes,
by Supreme Court
yes,
in Topondi Neugi case.
yes,
Right?
yes,
And it can be seized.
yes,
If it is found to be suspected to be.
yes,
And I also feel privacy that this money appears to be tainted money. And this can be seized.
but as your Lordship has already seen, there is no money left. What
But
would,
still,
what
whatever
purpose would
money
be
is-
served now?
Whatever money is there.
Yes,
If it is required to be collected,
yes,
then account should remain free. You see, whatever money can be collected out of the tainted money,
yes,
that is a problem.
yes,
Had it been in your account, 1 lakh, I would have asked them, okay, keep a lien over 50,000, allow the petitioner to operate the bank account above 50,000 by maintaining a balance of 50,000.
yes,
Here is not the situation. I examine it deeply,
yes.
madam.
Lordship,
But in none of the 3 bank accounts, the money, alleged crime money deposited is intact. It has been withdrawn partly.
yes, Lordship.
That is a difficulty. And procedural formalities have been complied with.
Lordship, one more submission I would like to make, Lordship. One more submission I'd like to make. Lordship, the proof that money has been transferred, money has been received, it is an open book. It is an open, it's on, we are not denying anything of it. Now, Lordship, that for that purpose, that investigation part, that is already done with.
Let us see.
It is not that they need any more thing
Case
to
is
investigate.
pending due to non-receipt of FSL report and recovery of extortion amount. And extortion amount may not be fully recovered.
Now, Lordship, suppose this Erickson Tajam, suppose this accused person, the alleged accused person, suppose tomorrow he is charge sheeted and tried and convicted. It is not as if that he is going to be, he has to refund the money in terms of the order,
No.
in terms of
Court
the
has the
judgment.
power.
Yes,
Court has the power.
maybe, Lordship.
Court has the
is-
power. Why?
Yes, it is not,
Why not the court has the power?
yes, Lordship. Now, Lordship,
This
so far
money
as the,
will
so-
be directed to be recovered.
yes, Lordship, sorry about that. Now, Lordship,
Maybe 357 CRPC, 351, all these are there.
I have only bought this one.
No, no, it is there. In the
Yes.
CRPC, okay.
Yes.
No, similar provision will be there,
Yes,
right?
Yes.
450, 450. Even during trial also,
yes, Lordship.
court can order. Huh. 452, order for disposal of property at conclusion of trial.
Yes, Lordship.
For disposal by destruction, confiscation, or delivery to any person claiming to be entitled to possession thereof. So to the informant, court can direct, give this money to him.
The
All
in-
these are there. Your
the-
bank account money
Yes,
might belong to the informant.
it belongs, it may,
It will be extracted out of the accused person.
yes, accused person.
Because, and from that part, 50,000.
It is the responsibility of the accused person to give the money to the complainant maybe.
No,
It is not my responsibility,
It
Lordship.
is the responsibility of the justice delivery system.
It may be, but if it
Not
comes,
only accused.
yes, if it comes to personal responsibility, it would be the accused person, Lordship. I have nothing to do with the crime money, Lordship.
No. Right.
Yes.
You know, you have, no.
I just happened to be in the
No.
wrong place at the wrong time.
No, madam.
Yes,
You are not the accused,
yes, I am not the accused.
but you are recipient of money which is tainted with crime. Right.
Yes,
You may not be knowing.
yes,
Somebody comes to you, suppose me, and says that I am in dire need of money, please take my gold ring as a pledge. I may not be knowing it, that it is stolen. I gave him money. Ultimately, it is found that ring was a stolen one. And it belongs to Mr. X. Then still, even if I had paid money in exchange of ring, that ring can be recovered. The logic behind it is that if the money you have received knowingly or unknowingly is a blood money, crime money, it is liable to be recovered.
alleged crime money.
Alleged. I have said,
Yes.
if it is proved.
Yes,
And had it been the case of the petitioner that yes, money amount maintained in the bank accounts are higher than the blood money received, crime
Yes.
money, I would have asked them whether maintaining minimum balance of 50,000, petitioner can operate the bank account or not. Now, that is not the situation here. I have examined each and every case.
yes,
No,
Lordship.
everybody had withdrawn the alleged crime money.
By that
So
time,
whatever
Lordship,
is available, that should remain free.
Lordship. I am obliged,
As a
Lordship.
result, finding no merit.
My lord,
As on at this stage, finding no merit to allow the repetition.
obliged, Lordship.
So what do you?
It's
So-
up to your Lordship,
No, I'll be dismissing then.
Lordship.
Or otherwise, you can come at an appropriate stage by fresh petition. If you, otherwise it will be somewhat against you
Yes,
as on that, if I dismiss.
Lord.
Take your call. Take your call.
Lordship.
Take your call. I may dismiss or you may withdraw at this stage with a liberty to approach again at a subsequent stage.
For that, Lordship, I will need instructions. Because I'll have to talk to my client.
Take your instruction.
Can it be tomorrow then, Lordship?
Tomorrow will be too short for me to retain the order.
Mm.
2
Or
o'clock?
after maybe sometime?
2 o'clock?
Obliged, Lordship. Maybe after some time, 10 minutes or so.
Sure.
Obliged.
Set করে থব set কৰি থব বগাটোৰ লগত নীলাটো লগাই থব প্ৰত্যেকটো ডিক্লেৰেশ্যন দিব হ'ল ইন কেছ ডিক্লেৰেশ্যন দিব লগা হয় You madam, you have a copy with you extra. Yes, madam.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, the main counsel is out of station.
Out of station.
Yes, your lordship. This matter may be fixed.
Give me Tara.
No, your lordship. On behalf of Mr. Taja Garam.
Taja garam.
Yes, your lordship.
Taja and garam.
Yes.
Okay.
This matter may be released tomorrow, your lordship.
Fresh and hot.
My lord,
Yes.
I'm appearing for respondent number 8, my lord. I want to withdraw our Wakalat number, my lord.
Make an application before the registry.
I will submit, my lord.
You submit the application before the registry.
Yes, my lord.
Right. And what has happened to Tajagaram?
Your Lordship, he's out of station. Your
Out of
Lordship.
station.
Yes,
Miss?
due to emergency.
Miss?
P. Mema.
Learned Counsel representing Mr. T. Goram. Learned Counsel for the petition has made a prayer for adjournment of the case after week,
Tomorrow, Your Lordship. Matter may be released tomorrow.
not tomorrow.
Then, okay.
Next week.
Yes, sir.
Next week. On the ground that Mr. Goram is out of station on personal grounds. Mr.
PK Gore.
P.K. Ghosh.
Gore.
God. Learned Counsel for the respondent, number 8
Yes.
is present and has submitted that he might be withdrawing the Okalatama by filing an application before the registry.
Okay.
You were there?
I'm appearing on behalf of standing counsel for 1 to 6.
Mr.
Harpui.
Learned Counsel, representing Mr.
TW.
T. Learned Standing Counsel, Rural Development, Education. For the respondent number 1 to 6 is in attendance. This is the case in the next week on date.
Deeply obliged.
Any interim order?
Obliged.
This interim order to maintain status.
The interim order passed, I guess, will continue to
Yes.
fill that.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, for the petitioner, this matter was listed yesterday and it was mentioned and adjourned for after 2 weeks. So, Your Lordship, there's an interim in this case.
Okay.
That may continue, Your Lordship.
Okay. And this case was listed on 23/4/2025, a prayer was made on behalf of the learned junior government advocate, Arunachal Pradesh, to release the case after 2 weeks. Post of Mr.
VT Gurung, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner has submitted that there was an interim order operating in this case, which was inadvertently not extended on 23/4/2025. He has thus paid for listing of the case today. The matter has been listed by way of mention. Mr. Spencer, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has paid for extension of the interim order which was operating in favor of the petitioner till 23/4/2025. So as sought for, the interim order passed earlier shall continue, and the case is to be listed in terms of the order, in difference to the order dated 23/4/2025.
Obliged.
Yes, Madam.
Lordship, I have spoken to my clients. We would like to withdraw to pursue our other remedy.
With liberty?
Yes.
With liberty?
Yes.
I keep it open.
Yes.
You can also come before this court at a later point of time, but as on that,
Yes.
I am not finding it
Yes, Lordship.
good enough to allow.
Yes.
Miss
And Duncan.
Nangen.
Duncan.
Heard Miss N. Nangen, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Miss
Giata, Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the
Respondent number 1, 2, and
State Council.
1 and 2. Lordship.
Okay, Learned Junior Government Advocate.
Lordship.
You are Senior Government.
Additional senior government.
Additional Senior Government Advocate, AP, for the respondent number 1 and 2.
Yes.
And Miss
Why Karga? I'm for respondent number 3.
for the bank.
Respondent bank.
Okay, bank, full stop. Miss Nanjan, Learned Counsel for the petitioners have submitted on instruction, comma, the petitioners, comma, at this stage. Petitioners, comma, at this stage. comma,
Petitioner lordship, it's individual case.
Together or separate? Okay,
Yeah.
you keep it separate.
Yes.
Individual order.
Yeah.
The petitioner, comma, at this stage, does not want to pursue the writ petition and wants to withdraw the writ petition, comma, with liberty to approach again, with liberty to approach again and stroke or to avail appropriate remedy
In any other court.
permissible under the law.
Yes, lordship. Oblige.
Everything is covered.
Yes, lordship.
Okay. In view of the above submission made by so and so, the conservative petitioner, the writ petition is dismissed, comma, with the liberty, comma, as prayed for.
Lordship. Oblige.
Separate order in council. Okay.